What the difference is between DSLR and mirrorless cameras? Well, I'm here to tell you. DSLR and mirrorless cameras are both types of digital cameras, but they work in slightly different ways. DSLR stands for digital single lens reflex, and mirrorless cameras don't have a mirror. DSLR cameras have a mirror that reflects light from the lens up into the viewfinder. This allows you to see exactly what the camera sees. Mirrorless cameras don't have a mirror, so the light from the lens goes directly to the sensor. This means that you see a digital image on the screen, which is called an electronic viewfinder, EVF. DSLR cameras have a few advantages over mirrorless cameras. First, they have a wider range of lenses available. Second, they have longer battery life. Third, they have better autofocus performance in low light. So, which type of camera is right for you? If you are looking for a camera with a wide range of lenses, long battery life, and good autofocus performance in low light, then a DSLR camera is a good choice. If you are looking for a camera that is small and light, quiet, and has good video recording capabilities, then a mirrorless camera is a good choice. Overall, both DSLR and mirrorless cameras are great options for photographers of all levels of experience. It really depends on your personal preferences and what you are looking for in a camera. I would explain the difference between DSLR and mirrorless cameras in a simpler way. Have you ever seen a big camera with a mirror inside? That's a DSLR camera. DSLR cameras are bigger and heavier than mirrorless cameras, but they have a wider range of lenses and better battery life. Mirrorless cameras don't have a mirror inside. They are smaller and lighter than DSLR cameras, but they don't have as many lenses available and the battery life isn't as good. So, which type of camera is better? It depends on what you need it for. If you want a camera with a lot of lenses and good battery life, then a DSLR camera is a good choice. If you want a camera that is small and light, then a mirrorless camera is a good choice.